In style design, the compact, modern airfryer, freidora de aire design comes in 3 colors for hassle-free cooking in style. Quick cook times. Temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook meals in minutes. Easy to use. Enjoy 5 one-touch food presets and helpful preheat and keep warm cooking functions for simple cooking. Better tasting results. Even heating technology automatically detects and readjusts heat throughout cooking, creating more evenly cooked, crispy results. Guilt-free meals. Cook meals with up to 97% less oil than traditional deep fryers with the same crispy results. Easy to clean. The nonstick, dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate are free from BPA and PFOA and easy to clean. Endless inspiration. Access over 150 original recipes by the COSORI chefs on the VeSync app so you never run out of cooking inspiration. Get notified. An automatic shake reminder lets you know when to shake or flip halfway through cooking, while smart notifications keep you updated on meal progress. Safe to use. Automatic shutoff, overheat protection, and BPA and PFOA free accessories make cooking safe. Rooted in California. We designed the air fryer right here in California for guaranteed quality. Top reviews from the United States. This is a nice one. Get if you need something easy to work with. I never used an air fryer and this one is nice for a new person because it is easy to use. I searched high and low for the right one and I decided on this one because of the features offered for the price. I am still tweaking my recipes to time them correctly. There are many features on this one other brands do not have for the price point. This is well made and it is not a cheap product. If you are new to air frying, just know when using any air fryer, you have to experiment to learn how long to cook the food to your liking. Remember to cook on low and gradually increase the temperature so you can use the temperature settings. If you cook a lot, you should write down the temperature settings because you may forget. I used this every day since I purchased it and I have nothing negative to say. This is great product and you will not be disappointed. It is also packaged well and easy to clean.